Welcome to the Panda Vlogs, and for today's video, I'm gonna do a fresh Valentine's makeup tutorial using only affordable products. So mostly lang nandito, either from like online shops or drugstore lang. So I really hope that you'd like this video, and let's get started. The first thing that I would use is this green tea toner mist from Chula Organics. So this is organic, so I'm really happy about it. So after that, I'm just gonna let it dry. Then sa primer naman, I'm gonna use this NYX Angel Veil. So wala pa akong like recent primer na, bagong primer. So I'm still looking for another primer. But this one, ito talaga yung parang nag-work sa akin kasi hindi niya ginagawang oily yung face ko, which is good. And parang nagiging powdery siya after. So yun, kaya like parang I don't think I need like a new primer. And I'm going with Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. Ito talaga like favorite drugstore foundation ko siya. Kasi ewan ko, like sobrang ganda niya. Sobrang ganda ng finish niya, yung texture niya. And then sobrang light niya lang sa face. Hindi mo nararamdaman na may foundation ka. Which is actually really, really good. And shade 220 pala ako here. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. As in, like, parang mauubos ko na siya. I-blend ko na din yung foundation ko in case may stickiness from the brush. Then for eyebrows, I'm gonna be using my BLK Cosmetics Brow Sculpting Pencil Duo. Like, ito talaga yung fave ko. Oh my god, nagkasugat ako. Okay, so nagkasugat ako kasi nasira yung mirror ko. Actually, bagsak siya habang naglilinis sila ate. So, yun, nagkasugat ako. Okay, anyway, let's continue. Malayo sa bituka. Okay, so ayan. I'm in the shade Taupe. Bleed ng bleed. Pero ayoko tumayo. So, bahala na. So, nakita niyo naman kung paano ko like gawin yung eyebrows ko, diba? So, I think I might skip this part sa video kasi minsan yun yung nagpapatagal. Like yung eyebrows. Just a random question, guys. Diba you have to maintain yung hairs ng eyebrows nyo? Like, wala yung parang, yung parang nag-tidy up kayo ng eyebrows pag kunwari kumakapal na siya. What do you guys use? Thread or wax? Or like, ikaw yung mismong nagbubunot? Kasi I once loved waxing kasi feeling ko mas mabilis siya. Pero since I am into skincare, as in like, nagtotoner ako and everything, sabi sa akin, like, wag na magpapa-wax. Kasi medyo parang delikado siya sa skin. Kasi diba yung wax, mainit. So parang baka magsugat daw yung face. Sabi dun sa alabang na pinagpawaksan ko before, sabi, like, dapat 3 days kang hindi magtotoner. Sabi ko, hindi ko po kaya yun. So parang, ayun, nag-change na ako into threading, which is sobrang sakit. Like, as in, parang ginaganon ng sabay-sabay yung hairs mo. So, sobrang sakit. Pero ayun, just in case, you don't know that, ayun, so parang delikado daw yung waxing if like nagsi-skincare ka ng medyo matindi or basta nag-skincare ka regularly. So ayun, kaya threading na ako ngayon. Wala lang, random lang. Nagbi-bleed. Nakakainis. And then to set my eyebrows, of course, I'm gonna using this e.l.f. Clear Brow and Gel Mascara. Because if you've been in my videos, if you've been watching my videos for a long time, alam niyo na ito lang yung ginagamit ko. Kasi parang sobrang ganda niya. Kasi ito clear lang siya. Before, I used to use yung Maybelline and Eyeshadow, yung brow mascara nila na may color. But since I stopped coloring my hair, so I just kept it na clear para natural lang. For the eyes, I'm gonna use this EB Advanced Uncover. Medyo matagal ko na itong hindi nagamit. So, very fresh lang gagawin natin ngayon. So, matte lang yung eyeshadows na gagamitin ko. So, I'm gonna start with this one for my crease. Ito. Medyo parang dusky rose yung color niya. And then, yung white one, maglalagay ako sa brow bone. And then, for the inner corners, ito yung gagamitin ko. This is the LOL Highlighting Powder. And yung gagamitin ko is this one. Oh my god, ito. Yung medyo pinkish na color. Sabi ko no shimmer, diba? Pero parang gusto ko sa inner corners, medyo like may shimmer para mukhang gising ako. Lower lash line, tama ba? Maglalagay ako nitong color na to. Para like may pop of color, pero mild lang. This is the e.l.f. Blush Palette. Ito yung old version nila. Diba meron na silang bago? So, ito yung old version. So, lagyan ko lang ng onting concealer kasi medyo malaki yung brush na nagamit ko kanina. So, parang na-over yung lagay ko ng eyeshadow. And then, naglagay lang ako onti here para like magka-connect sila. Pero not totally na parang smoky eye siya. Kasi diba like pag smoky, like yung buong outer V lalagyan mo. This time, parang ito lang. So, for blush, I'm still gonna use this palette. Pero itong upper right, yung gagamitin ko na blush, which is like very mild lang yung color. This e.l.f. Saint Lucia na bronzer, yung nandito. Hindi ko masyadong nagagamit yung blush na kasi I feel like sobrang light na sa akin. Because sobrang light. For fair skin siya. So, I'm just gonna lightly bronze up my face. Then, I'm gonna set everything with the Fit Me powder before I put on my highlight. And then for my highlight, let's go back to this one. This is the LOL highlighting powder. And I'm still gonna use this one, yung medyo pink. It's really pretty. I mean, hindi mo masyado nakita yung pagka-pink niya. Parang like shine lang talaga siya, which is good. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Like, ito lang yung hindi drugstore na gagamitin ko. But you can use any any eyelash curler you can find. I heard na maganda daw yung sa Happy Skin kasi medyo maliit lang siya. So, you can try that out. But this one is from Rouge. If you haven't seen my Japan haul, please do watch it. And especially if you like cute stuff. Oh, by the way, from Maybelline, this is the Lash Sensational na mascara. I'm so happy kasi this is like the first ever package na sinend ng Maybelline sa akin. So, I'm really happy about it. So for the lips, I'm gonna give you two options. You can go nude or like go pink. So this one, it's really a good liquid lipstick. It's from Cloud Cosmetics. Online shop siya, pero you can get them from bazaars din. But I got this online. So this is the shade Sunday Chill. Like, wait, I'm gonna show it to you. Like, this is my everyday, like my favorite everyday nude, as in sobrang ganda niya. Ayan, sobrang ang pangit kung mag-swatch. And it has like menthol scent, which is really good. And surprisingly, parang hindi siya nababawasan kahit ang tagal ko na siyang ginagamit and lagi ko siyang ginagamit. And then this one is from Peripera. This is the Cloud Ink Velvet in the shade number 3. So I think I'm gonna use this today. Para medyo pink lang. Ayan, ganyan naman siya. Ito, para siyang lip tint na medyo creamy. Pero lip tint yung finish niya sa lips. And sobrang light din niya. Actually, this one is very light too, although this is a liquid lipstick. And I feel like I want more color sa face ko kasi we're doing a Valentine's look. So, medyo fresh dapat and medyo colorful. But if you don't like pink or reds, you can go for nude. There's nothing wrong with it. So, ayan. This is good din pala, like, for everyday basis. Like, for school or for work, I think maganda din siya. What I do with this is hindi ko siya nilalahat agad. Like, I build it up. Like, this is what I'm doing right now. Kasi nga medyo parang tint siya, so it has to sink in sa lips mo first. Well, that's how I see it. Like, parang ganun dapat siya. That is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. And by the way, guys, hindi lang to for Valentine's Day. You can try it at any day, any occasion, any event. I just specifically did this for this Valentine's Day look kasi I feel like I'm gonna do something like this on Valentine's Day. Well, not technically Valentine's Day, but on my Valentine's date. Kasi on Valentine's Day itself, which is February 14, I have prelims. So basically, I cannot go out. Like, I cannot celebrate. So I might do this look again soon on February, maybe 16, 17, or 18. I'm not yet sure when are we going out. But, ayun, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung look na to. Very fresh lang and very lightweight niya lang. As in, feeling ko wala akong anything sa face ko. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to click the like button and comment down below kung ano yung gagawin nyo for Valentine's Day, and also give me Valentine's Day ideas. And I hope that you subscribe to my channel and visit my blog at www.biancamagsino.com. God bless and happy Valentine's Day!